Welcome back to AYS Math channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 4 from paper October 2022, Pearson Edexcel Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. Question 4 is f of x equals to x squared 2x minus plus 1 minus 15x. Solve f of x equals to 0. Alright, so let's write down the question first. Copy down the question. F of x equals to x squared into 2x plus 1 minus 15x. Simplified. So this times it, 2x squared multiplied by 2x, so that would be 2x cubed, and multiplied by 1, x squared minus 15x. Okay, so they said f of x equals to 0. Solve f of x equals to 0. So I will replace f of x with 0. So I can replace here. So let's rewrite in a form of 2x cubed plus x squared minus 15x equals to 0. Right? Then we can take x common because x is present in all three terms. Let's take x common. So 2x squared plus x negative 15 equals to 0. So either x equals to 0 or 2x squared plus x minus negative 15 equals to 0. I can solve for x here. We can factorize it. So the product here is product. Let's do the sum and product method. We can use the quadratic formula as well, so, or you can directly use a calculator, because in a calculator, yes, you do have a function for factorizing. So 2x squared plus x minus 15, let's factorize it. So product here is negative 15 times 2 is negative 30, and sum here is plus 1. So I need two factors. When I multiply them, I'll get here plus 1, and when I times them, I get here negative 15. Alright, so it could be plus 6x minus 5x and negative 15 equals to 0. Yeah, so 6 times 5 is negative 30, so product is correct, and 6 plus 6 minus 5 is plus 1x, and so sum is correct as well. So from the first group, from the first pair, I can take 2x common. So x plus 3 and minus 5 is common from the second pair. So that would be x plus 3 equals to 0. So x plus 3 is common in both. Take it out. And inside I have 2x minus 5 equals to 0 is left over. Let's solve for x. So x plus 3 equals to 0. And here x equals to negative 3. Or 2x minus 5 equals to 0. And here x equals to 5 over 2. Okay, so these are the values for x. Okay, in the B part, it says that B part says that y raised to power 4 over 3 into 2y 2 over 3 plus 1 minus 15y raised to power 2 over 3. Okay, if I assume that that y raised to power 2 over 3 is, let's say it is something, let's say it is z. Okay, any letter I can assume it. Okay, so then in this case, then this would be then y raised to power 4 over 3. So this will be, I can write it as z squared, and inside I have 2 y raised to power 2 over 3 is z plus 1 minus 15 z equals to 0. So we can see that it is similar to this equation is similar to my first equation. Okay, f of x equals to x squared into 2x plus 1 minus 15x. So if I solve it, I'll get the same values as I got for x, -3 and 5/2. So it means that z is -3 and z is 5/2. Okay, now I can find for y. I can simplify it and I can find what is y in this case. I assume that z is y raised to power 2/3. Okay, so let's replace z with y raised to power 2/3. So z is y raised to power 2/3 equals to -3. Okay, this is 3. Right, it is -3, so cube root of -3. So let's find y. So this would be -3, and because this is 2/3, so I will take inverse, so that would be 3/2. So square root of negative is not possible. Okay, so the square root is not possible, so we just ignore it or reject this value of y. Okay, and let's look at the next value. So next is z equals to 5/2. So z, we assume that 2/3 equals to 5/2. And let's find y. So y here is take inverse operation to find y. So 2/3 inverse operation of 2/3 is 3/2. Right? This means that cube of 5/2. So and I think first we need to take a cube and then we will take a square root. Yeah, because we can write down as 5/2 as a cube, and it has a power 1/2 as well. Yeah, we can split it in this way, and this means that 5 cubed is can be written as 125 over 2 raised to power 3 is 8, and a square root of this is, let's take a square root of 125 over 8. So 125, a square root of 125 is 5√5, and square root of 8 is 2√2. Yes. And the question says that give your answer in simplified third form. It is a third form, but this is not a simplified form because we have a third in a denominator and we need to get rid of a third in a denominator. So for that we make a third free denominator. So let's write down 5/2 as it is, and √5/√2 times √2/√2. Right? So this will be 5/2, and 5 times 2 is 10, and 2 times 2 is 4, and square root of 4 is 2. So the final answer for this question is 5√10/4. Yeah, this is written in simplified third form. This was question number 4 from paper October 2022, Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in our playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.